my channel. Today I will be using these silk scrunchies to maintain my wash and go throughout the week. What I am doing is separating my hair into small sections, and then I will be wrapping the scrunchie around each section 2, 3, or maybe even 4 times. And it is important to use silk or satin scrunchies because cotton scrunchies may pull, snag, or break your hair. Another good thing about using these scrunchies is throughout the week, not only are your curls maintained, but your fro gets bigger. So every single day when I take these scrunchies out, my hair is a little bit more stretched than it was the day before. It is now the next day and I am removing all of the scrunchies from my hair. And I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but this is day 4 of my wash and go. So today I will be adding a refresher spray. I normally just add an oil, but today I will be using a refresher spray. Can't remember the name of this refresher spray, so I will have it listed down below in the description box. After blending this spray into my hair, I just continue to fluff and remove some of the parts that were visible, and then once I fluff and pick and get the desired look that I'm going for, the style will be complete. I hope my video was helpful. If it was, please like, subscribe, share, and even leave a comment or a question below and I will get back to you. And I hope to see you on the next one. Have a great day.